Hello everybody, welcome back. So unfortunately, with the summer and the heat wave, all that fun stuff we've been experiencing, it's taking a toll on the lawn. Remember previous videos, it was nice, green and lush. Now we got some of these brown spots popping up. So this could be an indication disease. Lawn being stressed out. That's the neighbor's side. I don't know what he did there other than cultivating crabgrass as well. But I probably should have addressed these brown spots a little bit earlier, but we're gonna address it now. So likely there's some sort of disease happening. We want to try to control that. Could also be user error. Might have watered too much during this heat wave. But now let's blame it on the neighbor's grass creeping over. So what are we gonna do in order to try to control this? So these are the products that I'm gonna be putting down today. Try to control some of that fungus that we have going. Hopefully cure the grass a little bit. Now the reason I'm gonna be putting down two different types of fungicides, because they both have different active ingredients. So I don't know which one's better, which one's worse, but might as well blitz the disease, hopefully get the lawn cured up. Now this Scott's product, I think it might be new. Usually they have a Disease X in Home Depot and Lowe's and stuff like that. But this one is actually a 2-in-1. It has a fungicide and a fertilizer, which I was planning on throwing on some fertilizer anyway to try to help the grass grow a little bit. So we'll see how this stuff works out. And since we're in July and grub season is going to be upon us soon, figure I'd throw down some pesticides, try to get ahead of that problem. So fairly simple. Put it down with our spreader and we'll see what happens. So first we're going to go with this Bio Advanced fungus control for lawns. Active ingredient is propiconazole. And according to the bag, to control everything, we're going to apply at 3.5 pounds per 1,000 square feet. So we're going to use a setting of 6 on our spreader. Next, we're going to put down this Scott's Turf Builder Healthy Plus Lawn Food. And like I said, this is a 2-in-1 fungicide and fertilizer. Now, normally you'd see the Scott's Disease X in stores. I'm guessing that this is a new product that they're pushing, and they took the Disease X away and they're pushing this one because I didn't see a single bag of Disease X. And again, the reason why I'm using this one has a different active ingredient, zoxystrobin. So we'll put this down according to manufacturer settings, which in this case is 3 1/4 on the spreader. And this one, you want to make sure that you're actually following the directions, because like I said, this does have fertilizer in it as well. So it is a 19-0-10. So if you put down a too high of a rate, you run the possibility of burning your lawn. Now we're going to put down this Ortho Bug B Gone Lawn Insect Killer. Apparently there's a whole list of insects that it kills. You can stop the video if you want to check it out. And we're going to put this down at the highest rate, because it won't hurt, 4.5 on the spreader. And finally, the last and most important step of applying any sort of granular product is to water in after applications. So we'll run the sprinklers for each zone. Hopefully we can get our grass back on track. Stay tuned. Keep you guys updated. And thanks again. Take care.